In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and print window stickers for your inventory. We're going to go into printing here in window stickers. You can go for any of your vehicles. I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one here. I'm going to hit print window sticker. We have two different layouts here. This one on the left has images at the bottom. This one has just the text. We're going to do the one with the images. We can go ahead and upload our logo here. I already have one uploaded. This is a sample logo. But if you needed to upload it, you just upload image and find your logo. We'll just take this logo here and hit the check mark. We can change the background color here. You're probably going to want to get the custom hex code for whatever your logo color is. I'm just going to choose a navy blue here that's close. Try to match this blue. Now if you have any of the Carfax or AutoCheck, any of these here, you can just check on that. It'll be included on the sticker. And then just hit print sticker. That's going to download a PDF file here. We can open it up. You can see it's dropped our logo in here. It'll auto-populate with all your address, phone, and website information. Pulls in all the car information and features. We have our Carfax here, and our vehicle images at the bottom. And that's all for this tutorial.